After you have installed and activated the Everest Forms Pro and entered the license key, you can now activate the available add-ons. So on your WordPress dashboard, go to Everest Forms and open the add-ons page. All the available add-ons will be listed on this page, and if any add-ons are not available in your plan, you need to change or upgrade the plan. You can see the Install Add-on button below each add-on section. Simply click on it to install the add-ons. Next, you will see the Activate button. Click on it and the add-on will be fully activated. You can also press the Refresh Add-ons button if you find any add-on missing. Next, you can also install the add-ons manually. To do that, go to WP Everest Accounts page, go to Downloads tab, search for the add-on by scrolling down. Download the zip files. After downloading the zip file, go back to your dashboard. Go to Plugins, click on Add New, and press on Upload Plugin button at the top. Now upload the zip file you have just downloaded and click on Install Now. Now activate the plugin by simply clicking on the Activate Plugin button, and that's it. You are done.